Magical is the word that describes this house. The feeling that I get in this home is everything that you would want. Join me in a tour of this one-of-a-kind Victorian gem at 9 Elizabeth Street South in Brampton, the Lockwood House. As we walk through the encapsulating original architectural layout of the antique plaster medallions, the stained glass windows in every room, almost 3,000 square feet of combined living space and exaggerated by 10 feet soaring sights in every room on the main floor, the gorgeous walnut color wood floors, 16-inch baseboard trim, custom trim throughout, and 2 gas fireplaces to enjoy. Throw in some wood into the elegantly trimmed wood-burning fireplace for all your cozy winter nights. This breathtaking Edwardian home offers 3 large bedrooms and 3 bathrooms professionally renovated and restored in 2012. The classy details in the Lockwood home are endless, with gorgeous lighting, designer paint choices, wall sconce lights, meticulous choices in tiles in every room, the clawfoot tub, and the shutters. The setting is pure joy and serene. In the back, all-year sun-filled sun-grate room with 2 fireplaces, open concept into the grand traditional kitchen with modern twist, shaker-style cabinetry, expansive counter quartz, kitchen servery, pendant lighting, and a bar sink in the island. Magical charm continues upstairs on the 2nd level with 2 bathroom quarters, one having a clawfoot soaker, skylights, and the other a shower stone room with beautiful fine details. Complete with 3 large bedrooms with ton of natural light. The outdoor setting of this home is picturesque with the front porch, flagstone pathway and backyard, 2 double-wide driveway, 1 car garage leading into a winterized breezeway mudroom with custom storage. The gardens are spectacular and meticulously cared for with love, beautiful perennials, and gorgeous pussy willow tree as old as time. It steps to the park setting of downtown Brampton, Gage Park, where you can enjoy all season fun, culture, skating, splash pads, festivals, and so much more for the family. This winter wonderland transforms nightly and seasonally. The walks to the shops, the restaurants, the Rose Theatre, the Pama Historical Museum, and the town square where you can enjoy movies under the stars and concerts with so much more. 9 Elizabeth Street South, Brampton. Isn't it magical? Let's take a walk. Give me a call at 905-271-5127 and let's get you moving the mellow way.